How's everybody doing out there? Well, we're into a new year. Some of the same projects from last year trying to get finished up, but we're moving on with them. Behind me, I don't know if y'all can make out that white pipe laying down there. See them right there? We're gonna dewater. We're gonna set well points. If you ain't never set well points, well, we're gonna show you how to set well points. And if you have set well points, got any tips? Share them with us. Don't be bashful, share. But we're gonna set well points. We got dewater so we can do a concrete pilot channel. We're 9 foot deep in the pond. It's gonna be a dry pond. The water table's at 11, so it's constantly just seeping up. So we're gonna suck it down, keep it dry for a while. When we do that, we're gonna put our concrete in it, we're gonna benite it, seal it, and hopefully we solve the water problem from coming up and the pond stays dry. So, like for everybody to hit the like button, leave a comment, and smash the hell out of that subscribe button. Help me out. Thanks. Looking at your well points, getting the pipe all hooked up, going around. It's a sighting day. This pond, we got started, we got stopped on it, and now we started back. But see all that water? That pond was dry yesterday. That's how much water comes up overnight. So that's what we're hoping to stop. So y'all get to see how the well points work. That's the manifold. They turn. Gonna prime the head here. Gonna prime the line. After they prime the line, they'll turn it on. They'll start sucking. They'll see it back here. Pretty neat. Dewater. Well, it's installed. Now I'm going to take the next couple days and film it and show y'all what it does. It's over there, you saw it, the water pumping. It'll run like that for about the next 3 days before we can get it here and work. But it works. It works. This is dewatering. Get back here behind us. So, we're going to keep building on this video. We did good overnight.